It's a free business directory and it connects customers to businesses instantly. So no more needing to tag and ask for recommendations. So here we go, let's try something. I've got no account set up on my phone on the Spotted app. So this is like I've just downloaded it. Here we go. Let's press on the app, and if I go in with a Facebook login, I'm on a lot quicker. Straight in there, I need to put in a username. So this is in case I leave a review, it's what is shown. Disclaimer, this is just saying, me telling you, do the due diligence, look into previous works. It's really important, that is. Make sure you look into whatever they've done before you do book anything. So we go straight away, I'm on that directory of businesses that are available in my area with the closest at the top. I want a dog groomer. We'll go to that because that's what gave me the idea in the first place to make the app. So straight away now I've got a list there of businesses doing dog grooming in my area. So we've got one quite far away there. It said green tick, he works in my area. Let's go to mobile pet services. Can't be bothered to leave the house. Nice profile. We have a read there. We can see the qualifications. We've got all them services, dog grooming. There we go. Look at that. I can read that. More photos and go to the website. Message. Clock. Stop the clock. How quick was that? I bet in the time it would take you to write a post, it's taken me the same time there to actually message a business. That's why I'm saying use the Spotted app. It's free, it's streamlined, and it's designed to help you find your local business a lot quicker. And that's it. That's all I want to tell you. If you know, and if you see a post asking for recommendations and you know someone, tag them, because that's the best recommendation ever. But if you don't know anybody, please tell them about the Spotted app, because it will save them a lot of time. So thank you very much, and I will speak to you and see you soon. Bye bye.